and casually waiting for the dogs to stop barking. Hey guys, it's Leah Santiago, and today I'm going to teach you how to be featured on Funimate. So the first step you will need to have to be featured on Funimate is have good lighting. Lighting is crucial for your video. So I would totally recommend doing your video in front of a window or using a light. I have a ring light, but ring lights are optional. When I was a rising star, I obviously didn't have as much equipment as I do right now. Before I bought my ring light, I was saving so much money to buy my ring light because I wanted to make my videos look more professional. The second thing is be creative, because being you is what will make you unique, and that will make you stand out of the hundreds and hundreds of other users on the app. So right now I'm gonna film my video and I'm gonna be right back. Okay, I am back and I'm gonna import my video. I'm gonna put it right here so you can watch it.
All I need is a little love in my life. All I need is a little love in the dark. A little, but I'm hoping it might kickstart me and my broken heart. I need a little loving tonight. Hold me so I'm not falling apart.
So right now what you will do is go to Google, and if you don't know the song, just Google a part of the lyrics that you understand. So if I didn't know the song, I would put in Google waiting for the sirens to just go away. If you don't know the song, just go to Google and type the lyrics that you understand from the song, and Google will automatically look the song for you. So now what you will need to do is put all the words, and right now the first lyric to the song you can see is all I need is a little love in my life. So I'm just gonna put all I need . Okay, and now I'm just gonna speed up while I put all the lyrics, and remember it's optional if you want to put all the lyrics or just some parts, but I personally prefer doing all the lyrics. And as you can see, I am clicking the home button and looking at the lyrics and typing them. That is just a really easy thing you can do, because we obviously won't always remember all the lyrics or how to write them correctly. So I would totally recommend always having your lyrics on Safari, as I did. And right now, I'm just gonna add little touches, like I took the shape and I spanned it out, and then I made it black and then clear again. And I'm gonna add some touch magic right now, just to make it a little bit more extra, you know. So that is what I'm gonna do. And here is the finished video.
All I need is a little love in my life. All I need is a little love in the dark. A little, but I'm hoping it might kickstart me and my broken heart. I need a little loving tonight. Hold me so I'm not falling apart.
Right now, I'm gonna write my caption, and remember to tag Funimate and use hashtags